Okay, so I've never seen this problem before. This is only a 4-year with a cp3 pump, 2003 to 2007. The kits come with 6 little screws that are Torx head. I highly recommend you throw them screws away and you upgrade to socket cap screws, Allen wrench heads. Then you clean out each bowl hole with a Q-tip real clean, and you use removable Loctite, because I literally got towed 2 different times, once from Bullhead City to Kingman, Arizona, that was 48 miles, and then the second time a week later from Las Vegas, Nevada to Kingman, Arizona, that was 98 miles. Twice in 2 weeks because somebody improperly rebuilt the cp3 pump. And the heads of the screw, well, first time the screws just came loose. Second time, literally broke off. Right there. And it leaves you in the most inopportune places, time, you name it. So I haven't seen any videos on this, so I'm just saying now, throw away the screws that come with the kit to rebuild the pump, and get yourself real screws, and then use Loctite thread locker. You won't regret it.